Imagine a world where technology has seeped into every corner of our lives, even more so than it has today. What would that mean for industries worldwide, and specifically the automotive industry? In the fast-paced realm of extended reality, a certain technology is exploding, promising to reshape how we understand and interact with the world around us. This technology is none other than augmented reality, or AR. While the flashy developments in virtual reality often steal the limelight, the steady progress in AR technology is quietly revolutionizing the tech industry. The growth here is impressive, with a projected compound annual rate of 27.1% from 2023 to 2030. This resurging interest in AR has attracted a diverse range of players, from tech giants such as Apple and Meta to innovative newcomers like Xreal. Each of these entities brings unique contributions to the table, enriching the AR ecosystem with their varied advancements. Fast forward to 2024, and the automotive industry is on the brink of major transformation. The rise of generative AI technology opens up a world of possibilities for improvement in areas like design, manufacturing, training, and customer service. These tools not only foster better collaboration among teams, but also pave the way for innovative vehicle design solutions, virtual prototypes, and interactive user manuals. For automotive enterprises looking to embrace cutting-edge technology, a golden opportunity presents itself. With numerous manufacturers pushing the boundaries of this technology, the time is ripe to explore and embrace the immersive web. In this series, we will delve deeper into the many ways advanced technology stands to revolutionize the automotive industry. We will highlight the strategic advantage of adopting these innovations early rather than later. So, stay tuned as we uncover the transformative potential of spatial tech in automotive, spotlighting the key role of these innovations in shaping the industry's future.